Awning window installation in Pompano Beach is a top choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Pompano Beach Window Services offer a wide range of options, including energy-efficient awnings and custom awning windows Pompano Beach, tailored to meet the unique needs of each client. With a focus on quality and durability, these services ensure that every installation is built to last. Pompano Beach window experts are renowned for their professional window installation services. Whether you're looking for residential awning windows or commercial window solutions, these local window contractors provide reliable window services that guarantee satisfaction. Their expertise in window replacement Pompano ensures that your home or business is equipped with the best possible solutions. Energy-efficient windows in Pompano Beach are a smart investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These energy-saving window options not only help in cutting down utility bills, but also contribute to a more sustainable environment. Pompano Beach window upgrades include modern awning designs that are both stylish and functional, making them a popular choice among residents. Customizable window solutions in Pompano Beach allow homeowners to personalize their window installations. From stylish awning windows to hurricane-resistant windows, the options are endless. Pompano Beach custom awning windows are designed to withstand the local climate, providing both beauty and resilience. Affordable window services in Pompano Beach make it easy for residents to access high-quality window solutions without breaking the bank. Pompano Beach awning experts offer competitive pricing on a variety of services, including window replacement Pompano Beach and window maintenance services. These affordable awning windows Pompano Beach are perfect for those looking to enhance their home's appearance on a budget. Quality awning windows in Pompano Beach are crafted with precision and care. These durable awning windows Pompano Beach are built to withstand the test of time, providing long-lasting performance and reliability. Pompano Beach window specialists are committed to delivering top-notch service and products to their clients. Window design consultation in Pompano Beach is an essential service for those looking to upgrade their windows. Pompano Beach window design consultation services provide expert advice and guidance, ensuring that your window installation meets your specific needs and preferences. With a focus on modern awning windows Pompano Beach, these consultations help clients make informed decisions. Hurricane-resistant windows in Pompano Beach are a must-have for residents in this coastal area. These windows are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, providing peace of mind and protection for your home. Pompano Beach window replacement services include the installation of these robust windows, ensuring your property is safeguarded against the elements. Local window contractors in Pompano Beach are dedicated to providing exceptional service and craftsmanship. Their expertise in professional window installation. Pompano Beach ensures that every project is completed to the highest standards. Pompano Beach window specialists' services are known for their attention to detail and commitment to customer satisfaction.